This is my little makeshift toilet. This is before the use. I'm not gonna show y'all after, obviously, but y'all know my feet up trainer is multi-use. And it's cushy. So I ain't going in there, but then they turned my hot water off on me. So this is my makeshift toilet.